My husband was there, and I'm looking blank. I'm going, I have what? And you know, all your tests are positive. You have estrogen positive breast cancer. And I'm like, how does that happen? And so the doctor walks out of the room, and he said, and so the nurse comes in, and I immediately, my husband's like dumbfounded. And I go, how did I get here? And the nurse, well, you walked in, she looked, I'm like, no, how did I get here? And she couldn't answer me. She said, you need to sit down and you need to collect yourself. And I'm like, oh, I don't want to die. Who's going to take care of me? And I'm like, okay, nobody's answering me. Nobody knows how to answer me. It was like walking into a brick wall at that point. It was like, okay, how did I get here? I need to figure out how to get out.